Ladies and gentlemen, here comes another yummy series.
Hi lovelies, thank you for tuning in to watch today's video. Guys, hubby decided to prepare barbecue for the family and we are all excited and can't wait to devour all the goodness he's going to prepare. So come along and enjoy with my beautiful family. Please don't forget to like this video, share to your friends and families, and subscribe if you haven't. So enjoy the rest of the video. Okay guys, this chicken was well seasoned by Moa. Let me tell you what I used in seasoning this chicken. I used chicken seasoning, parsley, black pepper and salt, and I marinated for 3 good hours before hubby started grilling. So the flavor was super good, guys. The taste was amazing, guys. Everything in this grill was super good. As you can see, there are other meats there. There are some steak, pork belly and some ribs. So hubby is grilling everything there and we are outside. The kids are outside. Everybody is waiting for this barbecue. At this time, some of the chicken are fully cooked and hubby will remove them from the fire to prevent them from burning. So he will place them inside this pot so that it will be warm when we want to eat them. He will place it beside the grill so that it will still remain warm.
Yummy, yummy. Delicious.
As you can see, he shifted all the beef so that they can cook on a low heat, and he went ahead to place the lamb chops. This will also cook on a low heat. That way it will retain the juiciness of it, guys. I really enjoyed that barbecue because everything was on point. Okay guys, I later came for a taste of meat. I came to test what is going on here, and lo and behold, everything was super juicy, super good, guys. And hubby went ahead to place the burger on the grill, and if you look closely you will see that the grill is not on fire, like the charcoal is not too much, it's not popping, because it's good to cook your burger on a low heat. That way the burger will cook through and you will enjoy it. So if you cook burger on a high heat, like when the charcoal is too hot, the burger will only cook on top, not inside. So when doing grilling, it's always good to have patience so that the fire will settle down before placing the meat. Okay guys, this part was fun because hubby was cutting suya like a suya man, like those malam that normally sell suya, because everybody wants to have a bite, everybody wants to taste. And lo and behold, look at that juicy. Everybody confirmed that the meat was so tender, so juicy. Look at hand going up and down. Look at my little Emmanuel. Look at his hand and my hand. Look at that. It was fun, guys. It was really fun and we really enjoyed it. The meat was super juicy. Okay guys, here are some vegetables to complement this barbecue. I've got some bell peppers and eggplant. and I will also make salad for this barbecue. As you can see, everything is looking beautiful. Look at that burger, well grilled, and look at the eggplant and bell peppers. Everything is looking beautiful, and we are going to go inside and have our dinner made by Daddy. Daddy really did a good job. Everything was super good, guys. Super flavorful, super tasty, and we're going to enjoy our dinner. Come along and let's go to the dining and enjoy our beautiful dinner. Okay, my beautiful people, our dinner is ready. Look at that beauty. Everything is looking beautiful. We have some burger bread, grilled chicken and beef. We have some authentic Nigerian salad. We have our bell pepper, roasted bell peppers, and we have our juicy burger and desserts. We are going to wash it down with beautiful desserts. So that is it for today's video. Thank you for hanging around with us today. Thank you for your love and support. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Share our videos to your friends and families. Thank you, and always be positive, and see you in our next video. Bye, guys.
Darkness music.